Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Andonstar brand, their AD203S HDMI digital microscope, handheld portable coin microscope with a 4-inch rotatable screen. Has a 5 megapixel sensor and allows PC viewing also. This company provides a 1-year warranty, and it uses an app called Ucam for Android or iOS if you're interested in seeing it on your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you unboxing right here, show what it comes with. Opens up on the front right there, and first thing you see is a nicely written instruction manual, protection, and the unit is wrapped in plastic. I'm going to open it up right now. Here's the unit itself, very nice looking. And then you have a TF card on there, which I already have installed. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then it has this little packet that we're going to open up and show what's inside that. So it has a nice holder so that you can keep all this in one place and pull it closed, seal it, which is really nice. And it has a strap which you can put on the device right here. There's an opening for that strap, and then it has a USB-A to USB to micro USB connection right there. So that's everything it comes with. So let's go over some of the specs on this and how it works. You open this up just like that. It's really neat looking, very balanced. Here's the brightness control for the LEDs right there. Here's a 1/4-20 tripod mount so that you can mount this on a tripod, table tripod, and you can shoot downward and hold it like a regular microscope, which is nice. That's a unique feature. We have access to the HDMI port. It's a mini HDMI. There is the SD card that I installed, that's included, and there is the micro USB port for charging and also for data retrieval. To charge the device is very simple. You just use the included cable and plug it into any 1 amp or greater USB-A port and plug it in right there. There is a tiny little LED right there that comes on. It's green, and that will extinguish when the battery is fully charged. So let's turn this on. And you get a nice greeting screen right there, and it has the information about the battery right there and information about what mode it's in. Right there you see 1080p. That is the video mode that it is in. So let's just go over some about this product. It's great to use for scrutinizing coins, precious stones, metal, jewelry, vintage items. You can assess their value. If you're a scientist or a collector at heart, this is a great choice. The 5 megapixel sensor on here delivers impressive FHD performance, and you can connect to a USB. We're going to show you how to do that. And this screen is really nice. It's very clear, and it's rotatable so that you can look at it at different angles. And this is very portable, and it has built-in 1800 milliamp hour battery. The company provides a 1-year warranty. I think I mentioned that already, which is really nice. There is a built-in speaker and a microphone in here so that you can record your voice as you're recording or looking at jewelry or electronics, and you can play it back also. And those 8 LEDs in the front you can see right there, very bright. And again, we can turn those down with that knob right there, which is nice. The Wi-Fi is up to you if you want to use that app. You can have this connect to Wi-Fi. You have to go through the menu to do that. I'm not interested in doing that because the display in here is really beautiful and very clear, so I don't need to use my mobile phone for that, but you have the option to do that. Now on here there is some basic menus. Just if you hold down the up and down right there, it'll go to sepia mode, and that gives you that unique color. You hold it down again and it goes back to normal mode. You can have a timestamp right here, as you can see, and you can go through the menu, hit the mode button right there, hold it down, and then you get the menu, and you can move down. You got capture mode, resolution, quality, white balance, ISO exposure, and anti-shaking also. Let's see if we can turn that on. You hit OK, and we can turn that on. We're going to put anti-shaking on, which is nice. And let's go back to mode. You also have a different mode up there, which you could gain access to. By double clicking that right there, and that has the Wi-Fi ability. And you can scroll down, you put the date and time, beep sound, language, screensaver. Frequency is important. You want to pick the frequency for 50 or 60 hertz. In the US it's 60 hertz, so you want to pick that. You could format the SD card right there if you want to clear out all of the data on there. Very nice. You hold that power switch down and then it turns off. So I'm going to remove the plastic cover on here that I noticed is on, so that we can see how clear the image is. Right there, I'm going to take that off, set that aside. So now I'm going to give you some examples of this. I also noticed that on the bottom of the box there's an included HDMI cable, which is really nice so that you can look at this on other monitors. When you're using this cool device, you have a focus ring right here, and that's really easy to move, and it's very precision. That allows you to move the lens in and out to focus at whatever you're looking at. When you're using the device, you want to be parallel to it, which works the best. And here is this example of some coins. Now you can go up and down to change the focus, or you can change that wheel right there. But you could just see how much it has amplified the image. It's incredible. So you can really see the quality. And of course I can record this. So if I go to the menu right here, I'm going to hit the record button right there. And now you get a little red indicator and a little timer. So now it's actually recording the image that I'm seeing right here. You see a lot of detail right there. So if you're evaluating coins, this is perfect for that, because you can see the edges and see the detail right there perfectly. Here's a dime. Now these aren't that old, so they're not going to show a lot of wear. I couldn't find any older coins to demonstrate. So a lot of times you want to look at a circuit board and look at the solder connections on the circuit board itself. And this is just excellent for that, because you could see if there's a bad solder connection on there, and then you could correct it and actually use this while you're soldering a bad connection. Using a tripod, you could hold this steady right on the given area and actually correct a problem you have. Look how clear that is. I love this display. The display is really bright and very clear. Sometimes you want to look at a PC board on the top and look at the actual components on there. So this is not the back, this is the actual top. And again, you could see the top mounted connections on there. And you could actually make soldering corrections if you use a tripod to hold this. Very nice, large amount of detail on here with this really clear HD screen. So here's a $20 bill that I could examine. Just need enough detail you could tell whether it's counterfeit or not. Extremely accurate to be able to see. So here I have it connected using the included HDMI cable right on the port right there. And I have it going to a studio monitor, and I could look at anything I want right here. And now it's enlarged, and it's very large image right on any monitor you have that uses HDMI, which most TVs use and monitors use now. So that's a nice feature, so you get a really large image. So here's an example of using a simple little tripod, using the mount that's on there, and now I can put a circuit board down or anything, and here I'm using the HDMI cable to see that really large view of that integrated circuit on that board right there. There's also another feature on here that I forgot to show. If you hit the up right here, what it does is it increases the size. You can see right there. So what it's doing, it's increasing the zoom, and then you hit the down and it decreases it back to normal. So that's a nice way that you could zoom in on the image if you want. So the Andonstar Handheld microscope can be connected to your computer to retrieve the pictures and the video files. It can also be used as a PC camera. So I'm going to plug this in right on the micro USB port. And it says mass storage or PC camera. So you move the down arrow, hit OK. It already was recognized by Windows. So I'm just running a generic program that allows me to look at webcams, and it's right there, and I can focus in on various. There's a piece of paper right there. So now it's appearing right on my computer, and you could use your large computer screen real time to look at anything. That's pretty nice. Now after you've taken pictures or video, you can take the included cable or any USB micro cable, and you can plug it in on the port right here, and it says mass storage or PC camera. We're going to go for mass storage, hit the OK button, and then on the screen we have the SD card showing up, and there's where the photos are, and you can look at them real time on your computer, or you could drag them to your desktop, and the videos come up as movie, and then you can see the videos on your screen right here. And there is sound. If you're talking, you will hear movement and that. So here I'm talking.
Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm with a microphone.
And of course you can drag these to your screen for editing or using them in a video. So very simple and very easy to transfer any pictures or video. So after testing the Andonstar, their HDMI digital microscope, handheld portable coin microscope with this beautiful 4-inch display, what do I think of this product? This is a really unique product. I've never seen anything like it. It works really well. This focus ring is really easy to use and very precise. The menu is very well written. The HDMI port worked. You get the included HDMI cable, charging data cable, a way to hold it on the back, and also the nice complete holder. Can't go wrong. This is a great product. I'm really impressed with it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comment section. Please use those links to order this product to help support this channel. I hope this review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.